Welcome to Virsitour, where smarter sourcing starts. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to sign up as an event planner. Start by going to Virsitour.com. Click Sign Up in the top right corner and choose Event Planner Sign Up. Fill out the form with your basic information, including your name, email, company, and password. You'll also select what type of planner you are. Internal means you plan events within your company and are the direct client. Agency means you run a full-service event planning agency with multiple clients. Third-party sourcing refers to firms like Helms Briscoe that focus solely on finding and booking event locations. If you don't have an IATA number, that's completely fine. If you're curious about what it is or how Virsitour can support you with or without one, we're here to help. Once you've submitted your information, check your email to verify your account. After you confirm, log in and you'll land right at your planner dashboard. From your dashboard, you can manage your account, which will become even more important when our community features go live. You'll also be able to view and update your planner profile, something we highly encourage since it helps us get to know you and tailor your experience. And just like that, you're in. At any time, you can create your first event, though we'll cover that in the next video. So be sure to come back. Thanks for joining the Virsitour community. We're excited to help you source smarter and grow faster.